Hussein, as is clear, is one of the most successful Somalis in Minnesota and by extension in the country, and it's just an honor that you gave your time, especially today. This is why we started so early, because when I knew you were coming, the number one priority was to meet Hussein here, and so we're so lucky that his flight was at noon instead of yesterday, because we would have missed him. So I'm so glad it worked out, and I wanted to acknowledge you because you won't be here tonight.
But thank you so much. We really, it's all about you guys. Thank you.
So.
Are fleeing from the war, want to go South Africa, but they are in Zimbabwe or in Mozambique or Zambia somewhere and struggling. Some of them are displaced by the Libyan war. And going to, you guys know that, I don't have to tell you.
Please.
You know that? Those are all you people, guys, whether you like it or not like it. They're all you people. Okay? So I really think that you have to be advocates for your human rights, protecting as much as you can protect, especially people who need to be protected. The Somalis really need to be protected. They're dying like there's no tomorrow. Do whatever you can and do it. My third point is that, believe me, and I know some of you, all of you will believe me, no matter how we cut it or slice it, clan is not going to be a nation. There's no way a clan is going to be a nation, whether we like it or not like it. So what I'm really saying to you that let's all of us rise above clan and figure it out how to be a nation state there and the nations we join. Because believe me, clan cannot pay my tuition and it cannot pay your tuition. It has never paid tuition, it will never pay tuition. Okay? So it needs you don't need. So what I'm saying, but that doesn't mean you don't have to know where you belong. That's in your DNA. That's a good thing. That's not a bad thing. My final thoughts for you as an advice, Hassan was saying, was really that you are extremely fortunate to be a bilingual, multilingual. I was speaking all day today English, and I know you speak Somali and Swedish, Danish, and Norwegian. You know what? That's an unbelievable thing.
It's a beautiful Italian, right?
Italian, yes. I know. That's a beautiful thing. Please, really keep that going. Talk to the children, talk to your community members, and enjoy. And as you're traveling, coming to, we have, been getting not so beautiful weather. But my understanding is a couple of days you are here, it would be great. So we just ordered a beautiful weather for you. Thank you so much.